From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for June 25th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. For our trade analysis, we have an interesting setup going on for the day today here on the daily time frame. Of course, we have a couple of different trends to speak about. The green trend line, of course, clear long-term uptrend. Then we had between the blue and the red trend line a falling channel that fell down quite a ways, all the way from into the 1.0050 or so level down into the upper 0.9700s, all the way down to the pink zone at the bottom of that falling channel. Then we saw the market turn around, suddenly turn back higher again, pushing all the way back into the upper 0.9900s, and now we're seeing it fall right back down again. So let's go ahead and zoom it in. And here's that fall the past couple of days. We have seen significant fall off all the way from 99.6075 pink zone up here through the blue zone, now underneath 98.95, 98.80, the purple zone. Well, obviously, the last time we were in this area, back here where the black box is, the market for several days found resistance under the purple zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days touching underneath that purple zone. A couple of days further down, but at least about 8 or 9 days touching underneath the purple zone as resistance. So we could clearly know that as long as it's underneath that purple shaded area, there's an expectation of resistance, because history tells us that's fact. That's nothing we can change about the market. So as long as it's underneath 98.80, 98.95, we're expecting resistance. And of course, if it continues to go down, then we look for it to go down towards the orange zone. Why? Because that's what it did back here. So we don't need to make this up. We don't need to guess. This is what the market did before. So we might expect very similar things to happen over here. The only thing that's going to change that at this point is that it gets back above the purple shaded area, back above 98.95. If it does that, we know it's going to go back up again. So we are pretty clear under the purple zone is resistance. Only if it gets back above do we look for it to go back higher again. So if we're looking at the purple zone as resistance, it becomes an opportunity for us as traders to make our trades. One interesting thing here is that I took Fibonacci of the last low that we have, just the bottom of this big blue candle right here with the black X's. I took Fibonacci from that low to our highest high, or a recent high, and that puts the 0.618 right at 98.88, which is right in the middle of our purple shaded area. If I take Fibonacci from the lowest low way down here to the same high, that puts the 50% retracement level right inside that purple zone. So we know that we've broken the 50% of the longer range, the 618 of the shorter range, so we're underneath that purple zone. Now, we have some Fibonacci just underneath it as well, getting closer to the orange zone. So we have a couple of things overlapping there that give us some confidence in this as well. Interesting enough, is our Forex Black Book is also red, which gives us a little bit of a bearish bias for the currency pair. So there we go. We've been bouncing around quite a bit, falling, rising, but currently falling phase for the dollar franc. For our time frame, we can clearly see that the market has gotten underneath that purple shaded area, and this becomes our opportunity. Again, we've already discussed the fact that the last time we were underneath this purple zone for multiple days, it found resistance. So I don't think this time's any different here for us. Staying under the purple zone, we look for short opportunities targeting back down to the orange zone. And the risk in this scenario is pretty easy. We just don't want it to get back above the purple zone. So we place our stop above in case the market changes its mind and starts to go bullish once again for the dollar franc. So looking for shorts underneath 98.80, 95 today. Targeting back down into the mid to low 9800s or lower. Even if it breaks lower, we would look for it down here at the pink zone 9800 once again for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.